Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a reliable backup. This prevents profile loss if the update changes data structures. First, export your active Elvui profile to an external file and include the date. Then, copy the entire interface /add-ons /Elvui folder plus any Elvui config backup folder to another drive. Once done, capture screenshots of your profile list, installed plugin versions, and important key bindings for quick restoration. These steps are fast, and they give you a clear rollback point before updating. You update Elvui manually to avoid overriding saved variables. First, disable any auto-updater, then extract the new Elvui into a temporary folder. Make sure to copy only the core add-on files and leave the saved variables and profile folders untouched, unless the update instructions demand migration. Once replaced, restart the WoW client so saved variables load cleanly. After relaunch, open Elvui config to confirm profiles appear. If a migration prompt shows, read it carefully before you finish by validating that every profile and layout is intact. Go into Elvui config and load each profile. Inspect action bars, frames, and fonts. If something is missing, import the exported profile file you saved, or copy the backed up add-on folder and saved variables back into interface /add-ons, then restart. If issues persist, clear the WoW cache, run /ec to force the config UI reload, and only then restore individual saved variables files. This one troubleshooting tip, restore saved variables last, avoids accidental overwrites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.